are amazing. I've had a few sets on, not on this charger. This is my wife's 2019 Scat Pack, but at a 2015 all-wheel drive V6 charger that I went through a couple of LED sets just because a couple of them burnt out, and they all kind of had this flicker issue, and from what I'm seeing, these ones do not. They are pretty solid. Heading into work, it is roughly 6 o'clock in the morning, so it's pretty dark out, and yeah, so I'd say well worth the money. Even with the diode dynamics LEDs on my V6 charger, they would flicker for some reason. I know everybody's like, well, you got the, whatever it's called, the canvas module that you need. Well, we thought we were gonna need that with this, and so far I don't think that has any effect. So that is a serious plus. You don't have to go out of your way to purchase something else just to have the LED lighting. And what I should have done is I should have taken like a video with the halogens of me driving at night and then this one, but trust me, there is a significant difference in lighting. So I'm gonna leave this here, and as far as I'm concerned, so far, I mean, we've had the lights in for 3 days now, so we'll see how they hold up over time. And what I'll probably do is I'll probably mark this in my calendar and then do like a 1-year review. So, because me and my wife were talking the other day, you always see these review videos of the, different products all over the board, ranging from anything automotive to, your everyday household product of some sort, and everybody always does the review like a week to 2 weeks in, but they never do like the longevity. I've had this for 3 years now, and this is what this is how it's hold up. So that's what I plan on doing, and hopefully these lights hold up the way they're holding up this morning, because I absolutely love them. I think these are probably the best LEDs that I've had for any of the chargers that I've seen. So you guys have a good week, good morning, whenever I get this video loaded up. Hopefully it's not too long or too short. That's what she said. Take care, guys.